Samsung Galaxy A50, and let me show you how to reset settings on the following device. At first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Go to General Management, which is here, and now click on Reset. The very first option is Reset Settings, so if you would like to reset all settings to their defaults, simply select it. And now here you've got the detailed notification, so your phone will be reset to its default settings except the security, language and account settings. Any customization you've made to your phone, such as ringtone and the DND mode settings, will be discarded. But your personal data and the settings of downloaded apps will not be affected. If you want to reset those settings, simply click on Reset Settings. Now you have to confirm your decision one more time because this operation cannot be undone, so simply click on Reset. And now give your device a few seconds, maybe up to 1 minute, because it will restart your device in order to reset the settings. And that's it. As you can see now, you can start using your device normally. All the settings have been reset, so enjoy it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.